So, students, today's topic of discussion is Lenz law. So, what is Lenz law? Basically, in previous lecture, we have discussed about electromagnetic induction, and we have discussed that according to Faraday's law, the induced EMF is minus n d phi over dt. फैराडे ने क्या बताया कि जो इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ है E is directly proportional to rate of change of flux linked to a conductor. तो उस कंडक्टर में जो फ्लक्स चेंज होगा उसके डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल जो इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ है वो होगा. इफ दैट कंडक्टर और दैट कॉइल हैज n number of turns, this is what this is turns, number of turns, then formula become E equal to minus n d phi over dt. Now this minus sign represent direction. Direction of current or direction of EMF. But Faraday couldn't explain this minus sign. उन्होंने माइनस साइन दिया लेकिन वो उसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाएगा. दिस माइनस साइन इज एक्सप्लेन्ड और डिटेल्ड बाय लेंज. आफ्टर Faraday's, Lenz explained this sign, minus sign. So what is Lenz law? So he gave Lenz law. What is Lenz law? Lenz, before study Lenz law, first we see clock face rule, क्योंकि इसकी आपकी जरूरत पड़ेगी Lenz law समझने के लिए. ठीक है. So what is clock face rule? If we have a coil and a current is flowing in this coil, एक कॉइल है और उसमें करंट फ्लो कर रहा है, then definitely if we see from this end, means हमने उसको ऐसे करके देखा like this. If we see the coil like this, then definitely the flow of current may be of clockwise or may be anti-clockwise. Means suppose in this is clockwise. So from viewing here, the direction of current is appeared anti-clockwise. If the direction of current is appeared clockwise here, then direction of current will be anti-clockwise here. अगर हम उसको इधर से देखेंगे और हमें क्लॉकवाइज दिखाई दे रहा है तो सेम कॉइल को जब हम इधर से देखेंगे तो हमको एंटी क्लॉकवाइज दिखाई देगा. तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट विल बी चेंज. सो this is what this is current is flowing, current is appeared clockwise, and this is what current is flowing or current is appeared in anti-clockwise. When current is appeared clockwise, then south pole is generated at that end. South pole is generated at that end, and if it is anti-clockwise, then north pole is generated at that end. That means if current is moving in this coil like this, then definitely this is clockwise. So south pole is here and north pole is here. जो ये सोलेनॉइड बन रहा है, जो इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट बन रहा है, द साउथ पोल ऑफ दिस इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट, the south pole is here and north pole will be here. If we reverse the direction, then north pole will be here and south pole will be here. So this is basically clock face rule, and the use of this clock face rule is here in Lenz law. So according to, so this is I think this will be over. We have already discussed this thing in previous lecture. So according to Lenz law, the direction of induced current or induced EMF is such that it opposes the cause itself. It opposes the cause itself. Means, suppose we have a coil and we have a magnet and north pole is towards the coil and north pole is moving towards the coil. Coil is stationary and north pole is moving towards the coil. That means there is a relative motion between coil and magnet. This is magnet. So coil is moving toward, magnet is moving towards the coil, and since magnet is moving, then definitely the flux linked with the coil will be changed. And when the flux linked with coil is changed, an induced EMF, according to Faraday, an induced EMF is produced in this coil. This is given by Faraday. Lenz gave the direction, the concept of direction. Cause is north pole is moving towards coil. The cause of this induced EMF is this, that north pole is moving towards the coil. So according to Lenz, it opposes the cause, and cause is north pole is moving towards coil. कैसे oppose करेगा? So if north pole is generated here due to repulsion force, north repulsion, due to repulsion force, it opposes the cause. So what happened? North pole is generated the north pole is generated at the end of this coil, this end of coil, and north pole is generated by anti-clockwise. Means at this end current is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So in this direction current is moving clockwise direction. So current is moving like this. From here it is appeared clockwise, and from here it is appeared anti-clockwise. So this rule is given by Lenz. What rule? The direction of induced EMF or direction of current opposes the cause itself. Now we consider second thing. The same north pole, this time the same north pole is moving away from the coil. When it moves away, again there is a relative motion, and when there is a relative motion, the flux link will also be changed. जो फ्लक्स लिंकेज है वो फिर से चेंज होगा. Now what happened? The cause is, again फ्लक्स चेंज होगा तो यहां पर क्या होगा? इंड्यूस्ड EMF. कॉइल में क्या होगा? इंड्यूस्ड EMF. Cause is north pole is moving away. नॉर्थ पोल दूर जा रहा है, इस कॉज को अपोज कैसे किया जा सकता है? इफ साउथ पोल इज जनरेटेड हियर, when south pole is generated it attracts north pole, इस north pole को ये क्या करेगा? अट्रैक्ट करेगा and it resists the motion of this north pole. So what happened? At this end clockwise, at this end clockwise current will flow and at this end anti-clockwise current will flow. तो अभी तक क्या था? यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा था? इन प्रीवियस केस व्हेन नॉर्थ पोल इज मूविंग टुवर्ड कॉइल, क्या हो रहा था? जो डायरेक्शन थी वो अप की डायरेक्शन से कैसा हो गई? अपोजिट हो गई। तो लेंज ने यही सेम ऐसे ही आप इसको भी डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। इफ कॉइल इज हियर and south pole is moving towards this. When south pole is moving towards the coil, what happened? It opposes the south pole. And in which way it opposes the south pole? A south pole is generated here. That's mean, इसका क्या मीन्स हुआ? इसका मीन्स हुआ कि यहाँ पर आपका इस एंड पर क्लॉकवाइज और इधर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज पोल जनरेट हो जाएंगे। तो लेंज लॉ इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है, फैराडे लॉ तो इंपॉर्टेंट है ही, लेंज लॉ भी इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि डायरेक्शन ऑफ ईएमएफ इज गिवन बाय और एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय लेंज। सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज लेंज लॉ, electromagnetic induction and Faraday's law we have discussed in previous lecture, and in this lecture we have discussed Lenz law as well as clock phase rule.